If you have 1 crore and more, or else at least 50 lakhs and more, watch this video. It will be definitely useful for you. Okay. If you have at least 50 lakhs or 1 crore rupees and consult a real estate agent, that real estate agent tried to sell his real estate plot, flat, or some kind of venture. If you contact a mutual fund distributor, he suggests you invest in mutual funds. If you contact a stock broker, he suggests you invest in stocks. But what is right for you, which one will suit to you, how you can secure your money, and at the same time how you can multiply your money faster, how you can come to know. This is very difficult because most of the times you meet sales guys instead of a financial consultant. Here I am giving you one offer. You can hire me as a financial consultant and I will verify which one suit to you best, which one not suit to you best. Okay, I will analyze all your data and I will guide you what kind of investments you need to do, what kind of investments you should not do, what are all the things you did wrongly in the previous investments or whatever savings. I'll explain in detail in our one-to-one call. If you are interested, then related link I have given in the description. Please click on it and sign up for the program. Thank you.